Hey, what's up, investors? Figo here. Welcome to Let's Grow Rich. Let's first start with a review of the past week. What happened in the market of the past week? Well, bad things happened. Let's take a look at the US markets. First, the Nasdaq fell for more than 3%, and DJI, well, negative 1.3%. For the S&P 500, well, negative 202%. And here in Japan, the Nikkei 225 index fell for more than 4%. A total disaster.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
So you may be wondering, what caused this? So on my side, I have concluded a list of keywords that might have caused those sell-offs in the market. Let's look at them one by one. First, debt setting. Well, if you read financial news, then this word has popped up quite frequently for the past week. It is a setting introduced, by a law passed in 1917 that controls the maximum amount of money US government can borrow by issuing bonds. And remember, since introduced, this setting has been raised for more than 60 times. The most recent raise happened last Friday, as we know it. The Congress passed a law to raise the setting, so personally, I don't think this will cause that much trouble for the stock market. The second keyword is Fed tapering. This is a bad news. So far, the Fed has been spending $120 billion purchasing government bonds every month. But this number will decrease starting November this year. What does this mean then? This simply means that there will be less money circulating in the market, therefore less money in the stock market. The next keyword is Evergrande. This name has been on every headline for the past few weeks. So what happened here? Evergrande, one of the biggest real estate companies in China, is unable to pay its $300 million debt, so it may just default and go bankrupt. This will create a major impact in China real estate markets. Basically, if Evergrande defaults, then the China real estate market may bust. However, Goldman Sachs mentioned that there are 4 KPIs we should be looking at to decide if the market will go bust or not. The first KPI being the land investment sentiment, the second one, refinancing trend, the third one, sales rate, and the fourth one, central line salesman index. I won't go through the meaning of each KPI. Please do your own research, and if you have money invested in China, maybe it is time to think what will happen if Evergrande defaults. The next keyword is cryptocurrency. First, the China Central Bank announced it will ban all transactions using cryptocurrencies, which synced the price. But later last week, the Fed has announced that it has no plan to regulate the cryptocurrencies, which, sent the price flying, plus 10% in one day. Our last keyword here is Warren Buffett. The old man is changing his portfolios. He first dumped his bank stocks, and then he placed bets on Japanese and pharmaceutical stocks. Personally, I think Warren Buffett's portfolio is a good reference. I've been following his strategy for the past few years, and it made me a fortune. So I recommend you do the same. That's it for the past week review. In summary, things are not good in the stock market for the past few weeks. But that's probably because September has historically been the worst month in the stock market throughout the years. I believe as we step into October, things will be getting better. So invest and let's grow rich together. Thank you for being here, and remember to subscribe.